Before getting into the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video.
Now let us talk something about the in keyword in Python. So basically we will be using in keyword along with the if statement. So let us say suppose we have a variable name which is equal to Olivia. In order to check whether A is present in the variable name, we will write if then A will be in single quotes or double quotes, then in name, then colon, then in the next statement we'll write print A is present in name. Then in the next statement we write else, then print not present. Now let us run this code and see what is the output. So yeah, basically A was present in it, so it is giving us the output as A is present in the string. So this is how in keyword is used, and instead of writing the variable name here, we can also specify the string name directly. Like we can write if A in Olivia and then the same code for it. So it will execute and give us the same output. That was for in keyword. Now we can check whether a given string is empty or not. Suppose with the same name variable, let us try to run another code which is basically for checking whether the variable we took is having an empty string or not having an empty string. So the code for this will be if name then colon, that is it will check if name is true, that is if name is not empty, this thing is true, then it will execute the statement which we write as print not empty, and in the else part we will write print string is empty. And now let us try to run the program. Since we had a non-empty string, so it is giving us the output as not empty. Now, where is this empty or non-empty functionality used? So basically, when some user do not give an input value, like we are asking some input from the user, but user didn't type anything and gave us an empty string. So we will either give a warning sign to encourage the user to type some input. Now let us just try to implement this thing also. So if we have name equal to input, enter your name, then we'll write if name, then colon, then after it print. We had previously seen the string formatting, so I'm using it here. So we'll write F, then starting with the double quotes, your name is, then inside the placeholder name, and then double quotes close, and in the else statement we will give print please give valid input. So now let us execute this. So what if we didn't give any input? We'll press enter and see. It is giving us the output as please give valid input. So that is how we check for an empty or non-empty string in Python.
If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.